Hey guys, me here, and today we're gonna jump off the person's boat, and yeah, so peace my bye. Woo! So fun! Hey guys! So that was just my brother back there, just jumping. He's like, yeah, so fun. So now I'm gonna go and I'm gonna do something. No, I'm just gonna jump.